Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and even press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last few videos, we have introduced about the network devices and we have discussed about a repeater and we have discussed about a hub and then we have discussed about a bridge. I hope you have watched all those videos while coming to this video. Now in this video I want to discuss about a switch. Okay, now let me discuss about a switch. It consists of physical layer and also the data link layer. As it consists of the data link layer, it can able to identify the MAC address, which is a 48-bit physical address of a node. Okay, so you can able to identify or you can check the 48-bit MAC address inside the packet. If you know the MAC address of the destination in the packet, then you can easily transfer the data only to the destination. You no need to do the broadcasting. When it comes to the hub, it will do the broadcasting because a hub consists of only physical layer. It does not consist of the data link layer. So it cannot even check the MAC address of the inside the packet. If cannot able to identify the MAC address inside the packet, then it could not able to identify the destination to whom the packet belongs to. Then what it will do? It will simply broadcast the packet. When it comes to the switch, it can able to identify the MAC address of the destination inside the packet. So it will only do the unicasting to the particular destination. So that's what I have mentioned here. It will simply do the unicasting, whereas compared to the hub, it will do the broadcasting. So now we will discuss this concept with a simple example. I have a device A, I have a switch, and I have a device B. All these four devices are connected to the switch. Let's take that. Here it can be a single device or it can be a LAN segment also, because the switch even call it as a multi-port bridge. Okay, so if it is a multi-port bridge, here we can connect the LAN segments also. Just to make you understand the concept little bit easy way, so I am discussing that we have four devices. Okay, let's take that device A want to transfer the data to device D. Then what it will do? It will consist of the data, whatever the data it want to send it, it will consist of the data, it will consist of the source address, and it will consist of the destination address. Now this address can be like, we have three addresses. We have a port address to identify the port number of the destination. We have the destination IP address and we have the destination MAC address. As we are discussing about a switch, it consists of only data link layer. Let's think that this is the B's MAC address and this is the A's MAC address, which is a 48-bit. Are you able to understand it or not? Okay, so here I am giving the A's MAC address and B's MAC address. So this packet will be forwarded to the switch. Then switch will receive this packet and it will check what is the destination MAC address. Okay, are you able to understand it or not? It will consist of the destination MAC address and it will check the destination MAC address. So it will only forward the packet to the destination B. It will not transfer the data to the C and D. Where it comes to the hub, it will do the broadcast. However, in switch, we are doing the unicast because we can able to identify the destination MAC address. And if you see that, it will do the forwarding also because data is forwarded from A to B with the help of a switch. Okay. Now, if you are doing only unicast, the traffic will be less in the switch as compared to the hub. And one more thing is that switch is little bit costly as compared to the hub. Are you able to understand? The hub is cheaper device as compared to the switch. So I hope you have understood what is a switch and how it will work, how many layers it consists of. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubt in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.